A very good morning to all of you. Have a nice and safe day. I again welcome you to this channel, wishing a very warm welcome to all of my viewers. Okay. In this video tutorial today, we will discuss another chapter related to plant science, that is about pollination. Okay, that is about pollination. In previous video, we have already discussed about the process of formation of microspore, that is microsporogenesis, and process of formation of megaspore or megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis is related to specially in formation of pollen inside anther, while megasporogenesis is related to formation of female gamete. Okay. So, what is about pollination? The pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. It means the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. Okay. It is of basically it is of two types in angiosperm: self pollination, cross pollination. First of all, we have to discuss about different categories of flowers in various group of angiosperms. Okay. First, if we see, in most of the angiosperm, the flowers are bisexual, and some of the angiosperms also have unisexual flowers. Okay. Some flowers bisexual, while some are unisexual. Okay. The bisexual flowers are otherwise called as monoecious and unisexual flowers are dioecious. एक बॉडी में दो फ्लावर होगा, सिंगल बॉडी में दो फ्लावर होगा, दो सेक्स होगा, दो सेक्स होगा. सो monoecious. Dioecious means for male and female there are two separate flowers. When plants, in some other cases of angiosperm, both male and female flower are in one plant. Okay. Some the monoecious plants are categorized into two different types. How? In monoecious condition, where bisexual flower is found, are of two types. That means the flowers are bisexual or unisexual flower in single plant. Okay. Bisexual flower. Second one is unisexual flower of male and female type. Male and female type in one plant. Okay. This condition is also found. This condition is found in maize, castor, such type of conditions are found, and it is also another common cases. Okay. In case of other plants, suppose we will take the example of papaya, where the plants are dioecious, the male plant are separate, female plants are also separate. Clear? So, these are the different conditions of flower. First, we have to discuss the different types of pollination, which are irrespective of agent. So, come to the type of pollination first. So, we have already discussed bisexual flower, unisexual flowers, monoecious plant, dioecious plant. Dioecious plant जैसे पपैया होगा मोनोसियस प्लांट का, जिसमें क्या होगा, सिंगल सिंगल फ्लावर होगा, सिंगल सिंगल सेक्स का, और एक फ्लावर में 2 सेक्स होगा। ओके, तो कम टू टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनेशन। The pollination is basically divided into 3 different categories. Okay, what are the different categories of pollination? If we go through the types of pollination, it is seen that 3 different type of pollinations are there: autogamy, zetenogamy, xenogamy. Let me to write autogamy, zetenogamy. This process of autogamy takes place only in bisexual flowers. Bisexual flower में autogamy होगा only. What is autogamy? Here the pollination takes place between anther and stigma of a single flower. The same genetic makeup. So here there is a drawback, that is inbreeding depression. Inbreeding depression is found here. Inbreeding depression क्या होता है? क्या होगा ना, जब प्लांट एक सिंगल फ्लावर का मेल और फीमेल उसका जेनेटिक मेकअप सेम होगा, तो दोनों फ्यूज करने के क्या होगा, दे फॉर्म जाइगोट. द जाइगोट प्रोड्यूसेस न्यू इंडिविजुअल. व्हाट हैपेंस, देयर इज ए लॉस ऑफ फर्टिलिटी ड्यू टू कंटिन्यूअस इनब्रीडिंग. द जेनेटिक सपरेशन इज ऑल्सो फाउंड व्हेन the genetic makeup is similar. There is a genetical separation which is called as inbreeding depression. So the autogamy is not a favored type of pollination. Okay, so it is a very easy process of pollination. No agents are needed. In bisexual flower, the pollen grain from anther to stigma directly transferred without help of agent and fertilized. Okay, then come to zetenogamy. It is the pollination between two flowers of same plant. Two flowers. It is bisexual autogamy. It is same flower of a plant. It is two flowers of same plant of adjacent branches. Okay, we can take the example of castor, maize. Okay, it also takes place, the zetenogamy also takes place in bisexual flower. ये bisexual flower में हो पाएगा, वो एक फ्लावर होगा उसका 2 सेक्स होगा तो, और मेल का पोलन ग्रेन और एक फ्लावर का चल जाएगा. ओके, सो बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर में होगा, यूनिसेक्सुअल में भी हो पाएगा. ओके, सो 2 flowers of the same plant can pollinate by this process. Okay, then xenogamy, the transfer of pollen from one plant to other. Xeno means different gametes born. It means transfer of pollen from one to another plant. Pollen from one to another plant. Okay, clear? So these are the 3 type of pollinations. Okay, then come to clistogamous flower. What are chasmogamous flower? Clistogamy and chasmogamy, these are other 2 type of pollination on the basis of flower conditions. In some plants, 2 types of flowers are there. One flower favor the self-pollination. It is also open for another pollen grain to avoid inbreeding depression. Okay, प्लांट कभी नहीं चाहता कि उसका सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन हो. सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होने से क्या होता है कि इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन हो जाता है. सो टू अवॉइड द इनब्रीडिंग डिप्रेशन देयर मस्ट बी ए different pollen from a different source. So plants have adapted two different modes of pollination. Cleistogamous. What is cleistogamous flower? Okay. The cleistogamous and jasmogamous conditions are found in Viola, Oxalis, Commelina, such type plants show such type of process. The cleistogamous flower, these flowers never open. These are also not very attractive. These are always in closed condition. These are in this type, these are in closed condition. Specifically, the color matches with the color of plant. There is no color pattern for attracting other insects. The insects cannot enter because it is in a closed condition. Such closed flowers are called as cleistogamous. The female part, stigma and anther are positioned inside the flower so that self pollination can occur. Then jasmogamous flower. What are jasmogamous flower? In case of jasmogamous flower, it is seen that the bisexual flowers in open condition. Thus, this is the condition of flower. Thalamus, pedicel. This is the female part and male part. The flowers are attractive, bisexual, attractive. They can these are often in nature to avoid inbreeding depression only. How they can avoid? Because when the flower is open, there is a chance of receiving pollen from other flower. Okay, but here the flower is in closed condition. It cannot collect a pollen from other sources except its own. But here, except its own type of pollen, it can collect a pollen from other source. So, in jasmogamous flower, both type of pollination takes place. The jetonogamy type, autogamy type, both type takes place here. Okay, so it is an advantage. So in case of there is no genogamy. In case of this, there is no there is also chances of genogamy is there. Okay, so cleistogamous and jasmogamous flower. Then come to the outbreeding devices. What are the various outbreeding devices so that the plant can check their autogamy? This is a special type of adaptation. This is a special type of contrivance in self-pollinating plant. What are these adaptations? The first adaptation is that male and female organs do not mature simultaneously. Male and female mature at different time. Okay, when the male part mature first, it is called as protoandry. When the female part mature first, it is called as protogyny. So two conditions are found: protoandrous condition, protogynous condition. So in these two conditions, self-pollination is not allowed. Okay. The second, location. The second aspect is location, size of male and female part varies, so that the pollen cannot able to reach the stigma. This condition is called as heterostyle. Suppose this is the stigma, carpel part. This is the male part is extremely elongated. This pollen cannot reach here. Autogamy is not possible. In such cases, cross pollination became essential for the process of fertilization. So it is different. Suppose in some other cases, this is the female part, the male parts are here. No chance for reaching the pollen grain to the stigma. So it is a condition which do not favor the self pollination. The third case is self incompatibility. Self incompatibility. What is self incompatibility? It means that when the pollen grain of a flower reach the stigma of same, then the pollen tube cannot be formed. The stigma rejected. Okay, that is called as self incompatibility. Then the fourth condition is production of unisexual flower. Production of unisexual flower. So in these conditions, self pollination cannot held. So agents are needed for carrying out pollination in such cases. So we will discuss different agents of pollination in the coming video. आज के लिए उतना ही. Thank you all.